So Botanical Tailoring is a co-research project with Care Applications here in Alcoy, Spain, that was born to really rethink about what we see as traditional clothing in Western society. So the aim of the project is really to extract colors and aromas from plants from this area and apply them to textiles. And then to later on apply them to bespoke tailoring garments. So garments that are made by hand, that are made to last, and that are made for a purpose. So really keeping sustainability in mind. So with Care Applications technology, we've really been able to reduce the amount of water that's traditionally used for traditional dyeing processes, which is a great perspective for the future in natural dyeing, so they can be applied to a larger scale and to larger industries. Like fashion and with brands that need larger scale production. Working with a team of technologists has been a really beautiful collaboration process, learning how we can work with innovative and sustainable machines to continue to change the traditional fashion system. Technology is more present than ever in our daily lives, and integrating it into a field like tailoring that preserves centuries of handcraft techniques is an opportunity that I think is really special. Creating this dialogue, I think, is essential for us to go in the right direction. By implementing these new systems and technologies, we've been able to use 90% less water than industry standards, all while optimizing color performance. We conducted tests on color uniformity, application techniques, and various mordant options so that we could have the best possible results with plant dyes to make it a viable solution for the future. Inspired by how our perfume is created, thinking in terms of layers, I wanted to rethink my own making process, using the principles of layering in tailoring not only to give structure to the garment, but also to add an emotional element, using aroma to create links to our past and to create deeper connections with our clothing. This experience in Re-FREAM has allowed me to think more broadly, creatively, and emotionally about my practice, especially in regards to how craft and technology can coexist and complement each other. We developed a collection of tailored garments dyed and scented with aromatic plants to enhance the well-being of the wearer. Mediterranean herbs and plants like olive tree leaves, rosemary, thyme, and eucalyptus were used throughout the collection to dye and scent each garment, experimenting with a fusion of senses. One of the main questions we received throughout the process was how long does the scent last? What happens when the scent fades away after the washes? So as a response, I collaborated with Profactor and Heritech, two 3D printing specialists in Austria, to develop prototypes to rescent our garments. With Profactor, we developed a 3D button that can be screwed open and closed so that a piece of scented fabric can be inserted into it. With Guillaume at Heritech, we developed an adjustable, packable, and transportable jacket stand to rescent our handmade jackets with an essential oil diffuser. This co-curation experience in particular really brought the project into a new direction, and for me showed the importance of bringing people from different industries to collaborate together to come up with solutions that in the past may not have been thought of. It involved merging Guillaume's technical and material know-how with my knowledge of how garments are constructed. With this jacket stand, we made it so that the shoulder angles are adjustable depending on the garment owner's shoulder anatomy and width, making sure that the jacket maintains its structure during the rescenting process. Showing at Ars Electronica, I got some great feedback from visitors, in particular how the use of scent in clothing could help in a medical context, specifically with patients with dementia who tend to speak more freely when they smell lavender, since it holds relaxing properties. This is an avenue definitely worth exploring for the future of sustainably made garments. We also developed an interactive platform allowing the public to customize their own jacket, trouser, or shirt, selecting from a variety of plants, both to dye and scent their own garment. Our aim is not only to change the way we produce garments, but also how we consume them, prioritizing quality over quantity. So not only seeing garments as functional items, but also as emotional links. We want to involve the public in the process of becoming part of an active change in the fashion system, one garment at a time. This project is a way of investigating the future of local manufacturing and how we can integrate the people, crafts, and technologies around us to co-design with the end customer and shift the current fashion supply chain in a more circular way.